students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is the direction cosine of the negative z-axis. Our options are -1, -1, 0, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0. So direction cosine is the cos of angle from all three axes. Means it will be cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, where alpha is the angle from x-axis, beta is angle from y-axis, and gamma is angle from z-axis. Correct? So now we are talking about the direction cosines of negative z-axis. So negative z-axis, angle between, see, if this is x, y, and this is z, correct? So this is a negative z, correct? So angle between negative z and x-axis is 90 degree. So cos alpha means cos 90 degree, cos beta means beta is angle with y-axis. So this is y-axis. So angle between negative z and y will be again 90 degree. So cos 90 degree. And angle between z-axis and negative z-axis will be 180 degree. So it will be cos of 180 degree, correct? So this will be 0, 0, cos of 180 is -1. So our correct option will be option B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.